Alright, here we go for the great owl rescue. I think you just need to come up behind.
He's going now.
Yeah, he was doing that yesterday. I think you just need to get behind him and hold him like a chicken.
Okay.
But watch out, because they got nails.
Yeah.
And a pretty big beak.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh. Okay.
He's running. Can't fly yet. Oh, dude, look at his beak.
Yeah, dude. They're predators.
Dude, he's pissed off. Do you see him under there?
Yeah.
He's biting. You can hear him. Whoa! He went after my arm. Quit hissing. You hear that, bro?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, he's not gonna bite through the glove. That's good. Oh, shoot. Watch out.
Daisy? No. Daisy!
Get. You hear him, dude? He sounds like death over here.
Hold still. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Maybe you can pick him up. Watch out, because their head turns like 360.
I know.
Here, you want these dogs?
No, I want you to distract them.
No. Hey, buddy, come here. Come here. There we go.
You got gloves on. Keep your gloves on, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
I would just
Where's his?
scoop them. You like what?
I know, I saw that.
There you go. There you go, buddy.
Oh. Give me your wings.
Yeah, fold them like a chicken. Oh, that's scary.
I know, he's like looking over, he's going, what are you doing?
It's okay, you're alright.
Scooped you like a chicken. Dude, look at this guy.
There's our little barn owl that fell out. We
He's
gotta
like-
get him back in the nest.
Oh man. Sounds like death over here.
That's how he keeps the predators away. Alright, so there's the monkey man.
Do you see this, dude?
Oh yeah. Are you gonna be able to climb up there?
I think so. I hope so. Oh.
Luckily one of us is not afraid of heights. It's your home. Don't you want to go home? I can see the other ones moving down at the end.
Oh, dude. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in here.
Oh yeah.
This is the 5th one.
There you go, buddy. He made it all the way down to his friends. Good job.
Let's see if they accept him. got 5 of them up here.
Awesome.